Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have you ever had to install door hinges and you can never get that hole absolutely centered, or you're putting in a new lock stop door latch and like for some reason the holes are kind of not perfect? Anyway, you need this hinge set. It's by MilesCraft, and this thing, I already have it on one of my drills. This is the larger. It's a 3-size set, and I mean this will get you a perfectly drilled hole every single time. Just to give you an idea, here's our door latch, and we're going to basically drill the hole down. I mean, and that's all there is to it. And then while we're at it, we're going to install the hinge. So basically you're looking to make sure you have it's a slight beveled edge, so that way it kind of hides the screw a little bit better. But same thing, we are going to center the hinge. So now we have a bunch of perfectly centered holes that we are going to line up our hinge. We're going to put some of these screws in. Put these 3 here. We're just going to get these started. But it's so easy to do, and you get great professional results every single time. We're just going to get a regular drill. And if you take a look at that, hopefully the overhead camera can do it really good justice. You have nice, completely flush, straight screws in your door hinge, your door latches, strike plates. Super professional results, super easy to use, and you saw how fast I did that. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.